Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily clone a node on your Bitwarden on PC. So as you guys can see, I've got my node right here. Here we have the node number 1 and here we have a cloned version of it. So now I'll show you how to easily clone it. What you guys need to do is click on the node that you want to clone, and here you will have this button right here. It's close to the pencil one. Now click it, and as you guys can see, it will create a copy, basically a clone. Now we can save it, and we've got another clone of our node. Now the second way to do that, we need to right click on it with our mouse button, and here click on clone. As you guys can see, let me just name it the other way so you guys can see that it's the new one creating, and here we have our clone. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.